Hi, Namaste, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we will learn German in Hindi and English language. मेरे YouTube चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। यहाँ हम लोग जर्मन भाषा हिंदी और इंग्लिश भाषा में सीखेंगे। So, let's start. Today we are going to learn some general words in farm yard. आज हम लोग एक फार्म हाउस में कुछ जर्मन वर्ड सीखेंगे। This is a farmyard and farmhouse of Familie Meierhof means family Meierhof. Farmyard को Bauernhof कहते हैं। Bauernhof farmyard. This is a stall in farmhouse. Hereinspaziert is written on the door. It means walk in. So let's go inside. Price list. Price Liste in German. Eier Nudeln. Egg noodle. Egg is Eier. Marmelade, fruit jam. Marmelade, fruit jam. Handmade Seife. Seife means soap. Kartoffeln means potatoes. Kartoffel, potato. Eier, egg. Katze und Mädchen. Katze means cat. Mädchen means girl. Katze, Mädchen. This is Kuh stall. Kuh stall means cow shelter. Kuh means cow. Stall means shelter. Kuh stall. Kalb. Kalb means calf. Kalb, calf. This is Milchstation means milk station. Milch is milk. Station is station. Milch station. Milk station. Milch pro liter. Accent means milk per liter 80 cent. Milch, milk. Hühner means hens. Hühner, hens, Huhn, hen. This is Landwirtschaft means farm yard. Farm yard, Landwirtschaft. These are Landwirtschaft लिखे मशीनें. Farming machines. For example, Hecke मशीनें means hoeing machine. हिंदी में कुदाल कहते हैं. Here we can see Hohe Haufen means hay stacks. Hohe Haufen, hay stacks. हिंदी में घास का बंडल कहते हैं. Man is riding a horse. Man is Mann, horse is Pferd. Horse riding is Pferd reiten in German language. These are horse transport vehicle means Pferd reiten is horse riding. Pferd is horse. One more important thing, Germany also called Deutschland. That is why German language is also called Deutsch. Pferd means horse. Pferd, horse. Plural is Pferde, horses. Pferde. This is alpaco. In German language also called alpaco. Alpaco is a South American animal similar to camel family. Camel is camel in Deutsch language. I hope you like our video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Danke. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.